Hey, Nick here, working on Mr. Green. This, I need to get it running. Well, that's heavy. Man, there's probably mice living in this. I don't even think I ever took it off. Oh yeah, the air cleaner, look at this thing, man. Look at that. It's black, practically. It's pretty bad. Carburetor's dirty, of course. This is the first time I've looked at this. I've never really seriously looked at it. Everything's in order. It's got the return fuel line too. The positive battery cable, this is the same as the other one. The positive is black and the negative is red. And this one is bolted to the engine right there. They bolted it to the intake manifold. And when you water it, holy crap, it does. It actually has coolant in it. Wow, what a shocker. That's a shocker. It has coolant in it, yeah. Okay, all right, that's weird. Expected it to be empty. Let's check the oil. Look at that, black. Yeah, it's about a half quart, maybe a little bit more low. Okay, check the power steering. Dry as a bone. Okay, I don't have any Dextron. I mean, it's a power steering system. I don't have any Dextron oil. I used it all up in the other Cadillac in Mr. Gold, I think. So I'm just going to use Type F in the power steering. Now, the fact that it's low is a bad sign. Could leak. Could be leaking. Okay, it wasn't very low. Good. Okay, now, I don't know if I ever mentioned this before. I watch a lot of those videos, you know, on YouTube. Guy digs a car out of the field or old wrecking yard or in somebody's backyard. It's a rusty piece of shit. And it's got, you know, there's a zoo living on the top of the engine, and leaves and plants. I mean, it's really kind of a little garden in there, and they don't even bother to blow it off. And they start taking the plugs out and opening up the carburetor and stuff. I shake my head at that. It's kind of shocking what some people do in these videos. It's funny. You sit there and you cringe, you know. Anyway, you know, you're gonna do this. If you buy a car, you blow the engine off first. You steam clean it or blow it off. Get all the crap off the top of the motor. Cover the carburetor with a plastic or a rag. Doesn't matter about the distributor. You can blow that out later or spray it with WD-40. But you know, get the motor clean. Get it cleaned off before you do anything. I've already done that. You guys saw my video where I steam cleaned it. Let's pull a spark plug, see what they look like. This is the best tool. It's a swivel spark plug socket. I got the small one too, the 5/8, you know, for the small spark plug. Greatest tool. And I haven't turned it over yet. You know what? Oh man. I actually bought this car without turning the engine. I know. I'm not worthy. These are pretty crusty. Okay, there we go. Okay. It's pretty crusty. That doesn't mean it's burning oil. It means they haven't been changed in a while. Just crusty and old, that's all. Don't pull the plug wires until you know the firing order. '61 Cadillac tune-up. Right? There's one. So I took out number 5. This page is coming out. Get up back in there. Okay, so 18436572. Okay, I'm going to try some PB first. Put some PB in there. And it's not PB weld like I keep saying in all my videos. I don't know why I do that. It's PB penetrant. Four 1,000, 5 1,000, 6 1,000, 7 1,000, 1,009 1,000, 10 1,000, 11 1,000, 12 1,000, 13 1,000, 14 1,000, 15 1,000. Yeah, good. Okay. All right. You've seen this before. I did this on Mr. Gold. Now it's Mr. Green. I sprayed PB blaster in all the cylinders. I didn't show you the driver's side, the passenger side, because I couldn't get a camera angle on it, so it had just been boring. And also, in the interim, this thing developed a coolant leak all of a sudden. That's strange, and it looks like it's coming from the lower radiator hose. So, that's weird. Anyway, let's crank this thing around. Okay, that was about one turn, but you know what I should do? Let me mark it. Okay. I want to do about 10 turns. Okay, nap time. Oh, this lower hose. That's leaking. Huh, sucks. I gotta put a pan under this now. Look at this. Look at the rubber, how it got misplaced. See, here's the leak. You can see it's dripping down. And there's coolant coming down the hose onto here, see? I'll crank it over with the starter now. The problem is I've been working on Thunderbirds too long. Yeah. Okay, battery's low. Something's smoking at the generator. This wire, the ground wire, yeah, the ground wire is hot. Okay. All right, I put water in it. It was only a gallon low. Put water in it. The power steering is already full. We know there's oil in it. I'll hook up the gas and try to start it again. Use some starting fluid. Not going to be as easy as Mr. Gold. this thing needs some carburetor cleaner. Tried. This thing needs more power, Scotty.